Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, we've got another one of those budget knives that I've kind of looked at for quite a while and just finally decided to pick up and to check out. And this one is the Boker Plus Atlas. Now this is a very slim little slip joint. And gotta say, I'm digging it. So we've got a stainless steel handle, obviously. I went with the red one, but it comes in red, blue, black, silver, and gray. It's got a spot for a lanyard. So lanyard fans, be happy. Now it is only right hand tip-up carry, so it doesn't have a left-hand carry option. Tries to be that loop over, deep carry, but obviously you're going to have a little bit sticking out of your pocket there. But as far as the stainless steel, everything is done very, very well. There's no edges where there shouldn't be. Even right here, we find that spot on a lot of slip joints can be a little bit sharp. Not there. Man, it is really, really taken down very, very nicely. Got your back spring there, of course. Very simple little budget knife. Very simple construction. Just a fold it over integral. Oh, if you want to go that it's just a folded over piece of stainless steel. Now, it is a slip joint, no half stop. Nice little drop point blade. There you go, 0025. Now you've got 14C28N. On the blade steel, like I said, nail nick for opening. You got a nice little sharpening choil there. Satin blade, flat ground, very thin. Golly. Just the whole knife is just a thin little slicer. And it's done very, very well. Like I said, there is no half stop. Snaps shut pretty well. I'd say the pull's probably 5, light 5. It's got a decent pull on it. It's not, it's not going to fall out or anything like that. Yeah, I give it a 5. Snaps open, walk and talk is pretty nice on it. Like I said, very, very simple little knife. Does have that pocket clip on it, so that does kind of, I like that. I like it with the pocket clip. So overall, what are we looking at? It's about 6.5 inches. It's just shy of 3 3/4 on the handle. Overall, your blade length is going to be about 2 7/8 ish. Cutting edge is going to be more just shy of 2 3/4. Your point-to-point grip length is about, with that pocket clip, it doesn't want to lay flat. It's a little over 3 inches. So my pinky does kind of rest up on this spot a little bit. It's not bad. It's not bad. There again, you guys know, if it was more just a hair longer, 3 1/4, 3 3/8 to that 3.5, and it would be an absolutely perfect. Super, super thin. I don't have my calipers, and well, I usually don't do that anyway, but wow. We're talking, I'm just going to do this just to see. It's maybe 1/8 of an inch wide. It's slim and slicey. All right, let's give you a couple of size comparisons. Definitely a small knife. There you go. There it is up against the bug out. Go back a little bit. And, well, I'll put the PM2 up there, but come on. If it's smaller than the bug out, PM2 is going to pretty much make it look like a baby. Get a weight on it. 1.8 ounces. So it's like bug out weight. Guys, this thing's coming in at $36. When I got it, I couldn't pass it up. I had to go check it out. Now, that is kind of a sticking point with it. You guys see that? It's kind of, that clip is kind of low over those screws, so it kind of does hang up on those screws a bit. It's my only hang up with it. I mean, you can push it down past. Now, if you push it down past, this thing's not coming out of your pocket. Not at all. I mean, it's pretty much, it's in there. So you might have to let it ride a little high. Let's see how it sits in that fifth pocket. There again, if you bottom it out, it does make it a little bit harder to get out of the pocket. So I was kind of carrying it like so. It goes past the first one pretty well. That's why I wished it was a little bit more deep carry of a clip. I mean, obviously, with it pinned there, that would definitely interfere with the screw holes and stuff. So there's really, I don't know, unless you did a fully over, but there again, you know, you've got the one on the other side. So that's my only sticking point with it, is it doesn't bottom out on what is already not. I mean, it does. You can, but if you do it, and this is kind of, I mean, that's just regular blue jean seam, you know, and it does even have a little bit of wear to it. So that's my only sticking point with it. Other than that, I really dig this little guy. It's a nice little slicey knife. I haven't taken it to the big rope yet. I mean, it goes pretty good. Maybe I'll have to go do a cut test on the rope with it. I haven't cut a lot of stuff with it, so it's not really an initial edge test, but we'll just go put it up against some 21 thread maybe and just see what it does. But overall, super slicey little knife. I'm definitely digging on it. Glad I decided to go check it out because, yeah, a little Boker Plus knife. I'm happy. A little bit with the pocket clip. But as far as comfort goes, it's good. It's absolutely feels great in hand. Like, it's almost like you don't even know it's there. It's so thin. That's the whole thing. But really appreciate you guys stopping by. Check it out if you want to check it out further. I'll leave a link down below. Feel free to take a look. But really appreciate you guys stopping by today. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. And of course, have a fantastic rest of your day. Till next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.